Hello friends, welcome to Dream 11 Blasters, providing you the winning combination. Today we will discuss about the IPL match number 33, which will be played between Delhi Capitals and Sunrisers Hyderabad. Head to head, in head to head contest, number of wins, Delhi Capitals win is 8 times and 11 is the times Sunrisers have won the match. This is the probable playing 11 of both the teams. First, I will discuss about Delhi Capitals. Their opening pair will be Shikhar Dhawan and Prithvi Shaw. Then Shreyas Iyer, Shimron Hetmeyer, Marcus Stoinis, Rishabh Pant, Akshar Patel, Ravichandran Ashwin, Enric Nordje, Avesh Khan, and Kagishwar Abada. Then of Sunrisers Hyderabad, opening will be done by David Warner, Ridhiman Saha, Kane Williamson, Manish Pandey, Abdul Samad, Jason Holder, Abhishek Sharma, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Rashid Khan, Sandeep Sharma. This match will be played on the same pitch on which the previous pitch only at Dubai Stadium, and this pitch is a very batting friendly pitch in both innings, but Pacers will get help in the first inning. Most probably, the team which bowl in first inning will have more number of chances of getting wicket in early stage. So keep in mind to keep all the pacers of bowling side in first inning bowling side. These are top batsmen for today's match. For Delhi Capitals, our orange cap holder Shikhar Dhawan, he had scored 473 run at a strike rate of 136.7. He is in great form, so try to keep him in your team and make him as your captain. The next is Prithvi Shaw. He has scored 308 runs and he was at very good form in Sri Lanka tour also. So he will be also a key player for Delhi Capitals. He scored 308 runs at a strike rate of 166. Next batsman is Shreyas Iyer. He had missed first leg of IPL 2021 due to injuries, but he's also very important player and will perform well today. Next will be our Sunrisers Hyderabad batting. Uh, for opening will be the opener David Warner will be a very crucial batsman for Sunrisers Hyderabad because he's not in form, but then also he's very dangerous player. He had scored 297 runs so far at a strike rate of 170. These numbers don't go with his image, but he can turn the match on his own. Next batsman is Kane Williamson. He has scored 245 runs at a strike rate of 128. He is also a very dependable player on which Sunrisers Hyderabad batting lineup depends. Next batsman is Manish Pandey. He is also a uh, very good batsman and he had scored 191 runs at a strike rate of 123.71. Now some bowling stats. From Delhi Capitals, Avesh Khan is in a terrific form and he has taken 14 wickets from the first leg of IPL at an economy of just 7.7. Next bowler is the South African pacer Kagishwar Abada. He has taken 8 wickets so far and he has an economy of 8.76. Keep in mind that he is bowling in death, so he can take wicket uh, more than any other bowler. Next for Sunrisers Hyderabad, Rashid Khan will be crucial, but at this ground, I don't think that spinners are getting help. So you can drop Rashid Khan or don't go for captain or vice captain for Rashid Khan. Next bowler is Jason Holder. He has taken 9 wickets at an economy of 10.66.
Okay, guys, now let us see the players to watch out for. So, first we will see for Delhi Capitals. The first player is Prithvi Shaw. Guys, this player is in very good form and I think he will contribute at the most. The second one is Hitmeyer. Guys, Hitmeyer was in a great touch in recent Caribbean League, so I think he can play as a role of finisher and generate some good runs as well. And the last one is Nordze. Guys, Nordze is getting in reform, and the pitch also supports the pacer. So, in my views, he can take a couple of wickets as well. Now let us see for Team Hyderabad. The first one is Riddhiman Saha. No doubt that this player is a very good opener and he can contribute for the team as well. The second one is Kane Williamson. Guys, no need to tell about him. He is the captain of New Zealand and he is in great touch. So he will be getting runs on this pitch as well. And the third one is Rashid Khan. Um, Come on, guys, he is a world class player and in my views, he will take at least one or two wicket as well. Now let us see some of the risky players for Delhi team. The first one is Akshar Patel. Guys, since we have read the pitch report, the pitch doesn't favor the spinners much. So I don't think that Akshar Patel would be able to contribute. The second one is Ashwin. Guys, Ashwin didn't got the chance to play in the test match, and the pitch also doesn't offer not too much help for the spinners. So I don't think that Ashwin would come in play for this. Third one is Rabada. I think Rabada is a risky player because either he can take 3 4 weeks together or he won't take any wicket. Like as you have seen in the recent T20 series against Sri Lanka, he was really struggling. He was not able to take any wicket. It was just the last match that he just into got into form. Now let us see for Team Hyderabad. The first one is Kedar Jadhav. Guys, Kedar Jadhav is not been in recent form, and I don't think that he can contribute some runs as well. The second one is Abdul Samad. Abdul Samad also get the batting at a very low order, and I don't think that he can do something for the team. So that's all. Um, Now let us see the team for our fantasy sides. So guys, this is just a basic team and we will update you once the lineup comes. So guys, for the final team, you need to join our Telegram channel at Dream 11 Blasters and we will update you there for the all the news. Thank you.